How to use walking steadiness on iPhone to prevent falls. Step 1. Launch the Health app on your iPhone. Step 2. Select the Summary tab. Step 3. Ensure health trend notifications are activated. If prompted, tap Enable. Step 4. Navigate to Health Trends and select Manage Notifications. Step 5. If walking steadiness notifications show as unavailable due to insufficient data, add the necessary information, like your height. Step 6. After entering details, return to the health checklist and tap Setup under Walking Steadiness Notifications. Step 7. Click Next. Step 8. Verify your personal information and proceed by tapping Next. Step 9. Familiarize yourself with the meanings of different walking steadiness levels and continue by tapping Next. Step 10. Enable notifications for low or very low steadiness by tapping Turn On, or choose Not Now if you prefer no alerts. Step 11. Finish setup by tapping Done. Step 12. Review your walking steadiness results and explore additional resources on the summary page to learn more and improve your stability.